Hi everyone, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the slide and lock card or mini album that's available in my ScanNCut cutting file shop. So to save some time, I've actually cut all the elements and I've prepared quite a lot of it, but I'll go over it in a few minutes. So the first thing you'll have, this cutting file has got so many elements, it's on 2 mats. So you'll have this base section which is 8 by 8, and then you'll have 2 matting layers to go on here. So that's the first bit I'm going to put together, and I'm using the Hues of Happiness Designer Series paper and some of the flowers from the paper I've already cut out for my top layer. So that's going to stick on there. Seems such a shame to cover up this pattern paper. It's beautiful. I've used this paper so much. So there are your 2 matting layers for the base. Now you'll have 4 pieces like this that are shown here in, I think this is Gorgeous Grape, which is one of the colours in this designer series paper. And you'll also have your matting layers. So I've cut, you've got 4 matting layers this size and 4 in this size. So I've cut 4 of these, which are going to go on the front, and then I've cut 4 of these twice in white card and matted up the inside already, and then once in the designer series paper, and this is going to stick on here. And 2 of them you want to open up backwards, and 2 of them you want to open up the normal way. So I've done those 3 to save some time. This is the other one for down here. So you can see this is what you get, 4 of these. Already got the dash line in for you. You just have to fold and burnish. I've stuck the pattern paper on the front already. That really was more for me to remember which way round this piece of card goes. And then I'm just going to stick in the white matting layers. These again could be designer series paper, they could be photos, you know, anything you want to use. And as I say, then these are going to stick on here. So I'll start sticking those down just to give it time for the glue to grab. And I'm just going to sit them kind of centrally. And I've not made this, so I'm hoping that this works out. This is my test run, if you like. So I'm lining the top of this card up with the top of the channel that's cut out in the middle. And then on the bottom with the bottom of the channel for the bottom of the card. And let's hope that that works out. And then I'm sitting them centrally to this full panel here of designer series paper. So that's what we've got now. Then you've got another big layer that I've cut in Gorgeous Grape, and a bigger white layer than these that I've cut in Basic White. And then I've got some of the elements from the designer series paper, and I'm going to stick these down on here. And this is the locking mechanism for the card. I'm going to pop that one over, and then I've got some leaves that I'm just going to put some glue on the back and just tuck these in. Pop that one in the bottom, and then I might pop that one just in there. So this is going to be what locks this card together. So I'm just going to let that set for a minute. Then you've got this, and it's got 4 score lines. So the second score line from the end, you fold over, and then the next one you fold back, and you do the same. So you're making this kind of little mechanism. Then you're going to glue this and this down. So the second panel from the left, and the second panel from the right. You're not gluing this end piece down. So that's how that looks now. So then this goes through there like so, and then you put glue on here and you stick that down, and hopefully it will work. So you stick that down centrally, and I'm just going to hold it in place. So this was another card that I saw on the internet, but it was a video, but it was in centimetres, which I don't understand for a start, and it had no talking. So I literally just kind of looked how it went together and created my own cut file using my own measurements. So this should now slide to open these, and then that slides up to open these, and then if you slide it back down to the center, it holds everything together. So I'm just going to use a few of these little parakeet party dots. So I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't already do so. If you want the cutting file, it will be available in my ScanNCut cutting file shop, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.